Alright guys, here we have a Lake Superior agate, and I'm showing it to you because a lot of you who've been watching my previous videos have been commenting about if I have any Lake Superior agates, and they honestly only very rarely make it across this side of the pond. So here in Germany and Europe, Lake Superior agates are known, but they don't have a very high collecting value. So I believe like a lot of times the agates where they are found have the highest collecting value if there's also a collecting community for the stones. But here's a beautiful specimen I've been getting in Tucson this year. I think it was either from Alex Sample or Brian Costoyan. I can't remember. But I bought this one especially with the intention to cut it, and you can see it has a really large sized window here on one side of the stone. Then there's a rough area where I could cut through, and then another large window on this side of the stone. I can see there's a small fracture here, and there's probably also a lot other fractures inside of the stone, so I am aware of the risk because I've been cutting some more Lake Superior agates in the past, and I've not been very lucky, but yet I'm trying again, and I hope you're not going to be mad that I sacrifice one of your agates. But I will cut it right next to this window here because I'm a little bit afraid that this section here is a little bit unstable, so I will cut right next to here and then over across this section here, and hopefully get two nice fully banded halves out of the specimen. It seems to have very nice parallax as well, but I am aware that it will probably also have some fractures. Nevertheless, I will sacrifice it. So let's do that. So I've been cutting this piece right down the middle where I wanted to place the cut on it, and I'm very happy with how the cut has been placed, and it's showing some incredible parallax here in this half. I hope you can see it in the video. But of course it also has the few fractures I've been mentioning even before I cut the agate, because it's just very common to have a lot of fracture in Lake Superior agates. But nevertheless, I feel like it's a nice agate, and I really like the parallax in this piece too, so it's a good piece.